Blessed peace and love as always. Back at it one more time. Yes. So we're going to talk about the good old days, and the present moment at this time. What's the difference? Well, there's a huge difference, I know for sure. We're not in the past. You understand? We're in the present moment. And the good old days, we would really want to see the good old days now in the present moment. And when I say good old days, I'm talking about a lot of stuff that is going on now, wasn't going on that frequently back then, where people could find themselves more comfortable in a space where it's a value, you know what I mean? But now it's like a human being in this present moment don't have no value to each other at this moment. And what you think could cause something like this in the present moment? Well, I would say it's greed, power, and fame, plus much more. But the difference now with the old and the new is that, people were more loving, more nice, more caring, which people still do in this present moment. But I'm just saying there is such a big changes from the past to the present moment where you have a lot of, the internet, you have more guns, you have more war, more violence, and all of these things. People into more, hating each other and warring each other, and it's not right. But that's the difference from back then to now. Even though this been going on long time. So as we can see, is like it's from great to worse as what we're seeing now. Experiences and how we react and how we communicate with each other, and our behavior. Things have drastically changed over the years come by down to the new generation. Like even now, you would want to tell some people, say hi, give them some blessings and do some stuff, but you gotta be careful, because you might think you're doing good, but actually you're doing bad to them. So you gotta be careful. It's not every good right now people look at it as good. So that's a big difference. Back home back then, Christmas time, it don't matter. Even on work time, people celebrate together like it's a holiday forever. Now, everybody's just so stuck up into their own world. So the good old days has passed, but not lost, because we still have it in our memory, and because of that, it still gives us hope and to have faith. So I just want to speak about, this texture of everything that's going on from back then to now, which is a big difference. And we're still hoping to blend the old with the new to keep that vibes of the old vibes of the good old days in the present moment. Thanks once again for watching. I'm wishing each and every one of you a blessed and a wonderful day. Peace and love as always. Until then.